How to change the camera angle in Minecraft Mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the camera angle in Minecraft Mobile. With the first-person view, you see the game from the player's perspective. The only part of the player that you see is the player's right hand or the item the player is holding. With the third-person rear view, you see the game as if you were standing behind the player. You will see the player's body from the back. With the third-person view, you see the game as if you were facing the player. You will see the player's body from the front. In Minecraft, you can toggle between these three views, which are also known as camera angles, using a game control. Here are the game controls to change between views on the Minecraft platform. For PC or Mac, press the F5 key. For the Pocket Edition, pause the game, go to the settings, select the video button, and change the camera perspective setting. For PS3, PS4, Xbox 360, and Xbox One, press down on left stick. For Windows 10 Edition, press the F5 key. For Wii U, press down on the left stick. For the Nintendo Switch, press down on the left Joy-Con stick. And lastly, for Education Edition, press F5 key. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.